第14页，校园英语，校园讲座。
Attending a campus lecture, Dialogue B. Mr. Hong has asked Rebecca to share what she learned from the lecture with the class.
Okay, everyone. Let's hear what Rebecca has to say. Did you find the lecture very informative?
Yes, Mr. Hong, I did. The professor discussed many things that I was not aware of before.
What did you find most interesting?
Well, according to the professor, the average student in Taiwan gets about 7 hours of sleep a night. That's actually more than I thought.
Why did you think that?
Because I usually sleep for less than 6 hours, and I think the same is true for most of us here in the class.
Do you think you're getting enough sleep?
Of course not. The professor said we should get at least 8 hours of sleep each night.
Did the professor talk about the effects of getting too little sleep?
Yes, she did. She said it has a bad effect on our mood and concentration. This can affect our relationships and school grades.
Did she give any advice?
She told us that we should go to bed earlier, and I thought of an easy way to do that.
Oh, yeah? What's that?
Maybe you can assign us less homework.